So this is gonna be like a speed run because like you clicked on the video and the title said how long would it take a mid game like me to get a mythic with only royal jelly. So yeah, I got straight to work because like I'm on a time limit, so why not? And it's about to be montage time because clearly I'm not gonna make you sit here and watch this boring grinding session. So put it on 5x, not 10x, and you can see the results later. Anyway, after this, I get like 2.4 billion on you, which is pretty good. Pretty good. For me, at least. For some of y'all end games, you'll probably get like this in a microsecond, but it's pretty good for me. Anyway, since this is like a challenge video and a speed run, you know I'm blowing it all on royal jelly. I also decided to do some boss runs, I guess. I don't know why I decided to do it, but first, of course, I'm gonna get that royal jelly. That royal jelly! Ah! That royal jelly! Yeah, forgot to include, since I'm a mid-game, I have it on Until Gifted. But don't worry, I can still get mythics with Until Gifted. So for any other mid-games out there, you can still get mythics with Until Gifted if you're trying to get SSA. So yeah, my hive looks pretty good for a mid-game, I would say. I don't level my bees much, though. Anyway, here's a nice little montage of me using all the royal jelly. Quite anticlimactic. I know, right? It literally takes like 500 royal jellies to get a single gifted bee, so you should be expecting this anticlimacticness when I use like 2,000 and get barely anything. I don't know what I was doing here. I wasted a lot of time. Actually no, I used it quite efficiently because I had to go kill Cocoa Crab to boost in Coconut Field, which actually helped me win the challenge. I was trying to get Pine Field here because, I wanted to boost because as you saw earlier, those people were stacked. They were, bubbles every second. Anyway, I go for my King Beetle here to try and see if I could get anything to help me, do the challenge. But I don't think I get much. Yeah, I don't. I'm, rewatching the footage in real time. I'm editing this, literally right after recording it, so hope that goes well for y'all. Anyway, I go for, a huge mob run to try and see if I can get any drops that will help me boost. Well, not boost, because I'm not using, super smoothie and stuff and, wins. I'm just grinding. So, yeah, I try to get some grinds that, try to get some drops that help me grind. But I don't think I get anything. Montage time. So after I went on my mod run, I just immediately started boosting in the well, not boosting, like a mini boost in Coconut Field. Don't know why I did that. But it worked out because I was there for 30 minutes, I think. 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. Just grinding. That's awesome, I guess. Yeah, nothing much to commentate on here, so I guess we're just gonna keep going, and then we'll cut to when we get to the awesomeness where we spend all that on royal jelly. So literally, no lie, I sat here for like I think 10 minutes just what's it called, making honey from my balloon, and mid-game struggles, I guess, because like it took forever. So I'm just gonna like cut to when I get all the honey. It will be pretty good. And the video, as you can see, the bar is it's about to end. So yeah, so we get a mythic here. Okay, bye. So as you can see, I almost got like 6 billion honey from that, which is good for me. And I blow it all on royal jelly to get that mythic, so I can finally end this video. I was actually really happy with what I got, which you will see soon. I don't want to commentate on the royal jelly part. I just want you to see what I get. So go ahead, watch. This is what you waited for, buddies. Abrupt music stopped. We got a precise B. Let's go. But we end the timer here, but we still have royal jelly left. And we get 2 gifted legendary bees, which is pretty good for SSA. But we have nothing now, so I'll see you guys later.